Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. Last week we went out drifting on our local lake and I did horribly at it, so I want to give it another shot. We are getting loaded up to head to the lake again so that I can try this out all over again. Hopefully we'll get some better footage for you guys today, and we're going to, well, hopefully I'm going to get a little bit better. We're going to bring the drone out, the weather's a whole lot better, and it's going to be a great time. Stick around. We've got the drift truck all loaded up, ready to go. It's looking beautiful. Now this worked awesome last time. Still got some snow in the wheel here from the last time, and even all up in the wheel wells. This is a 1993 Nissan D21 Hardbody, perfect for drifting. Now we also have a special surprise this time because Isaac's going to be bringing his car from our budget road trip from a couple seasons ago. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description where you can check that out. But this is a multi-purpose car. It's going to do awesome out on the ice drifting. This is what it was made for, and because we put all the ridiculous stickers and everything on the car, it's gonna look even more at home out there drifting on the ice. So we got a lot of great surprises for you. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. That's the car right there. You can see it already looks like it's got drifting battle. Got the Bosch, got the 80. It's a little bit dirty because it's been sitting all, I don't know, for the last 2 years. I'm surprised this thing even still runs, but you can hear it. Ooh, she smells rich. And he's got, I think he's even got winter tires on it. Sort of. Not sure if there's air in those tires, but we're gonna find out. So, slight change of plans. We can't find a trailer to bring the Mercedes out this week, so we're gonna be bringing the Lancer again, which you've already seen. That's the Lancer there, which is actually kind of cool. It is a front wheel drive, so it's not as fun, but we'll see if maybe next week we can get that guy out. So stay tuned. If you want to see this guy out on the ice, give us a thumbs up, so we know that we got to get this thing ready to get out on that ice before it all melts off. But today, it's just going to be the Lancer, and we're going to take the Land Rover too, but they say they're not going to drift it. I say we should try. So we'll see if we can get that guy out on the ice too. The HSE. Of course, we gotta fill up. That's what you guys are all waiting for, though, is the shot of the drift truck. Ready to go. It's already still got gas. Gas is so expensive here. Look at that. 110 bucks in this truck. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.